Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, I'm going to work in my bird collage book. This is a challenge that you can find at Nellie and Ruth Designs here on YouTube. You just need to use a bird, or however many you want to. And I will have Barbie's channel listed below so that you can go there. And I'll have the first video where she introduced this, and then her latest video linked for you. So this is the book that I am working in. And we are on this page. So I'm going to use this paper. This came out of, let me grab it, this stack of paper, or a paper pack. And I got this at Walmart, and I've had it for a long time, so I don't know if they still carry it anywhere. Our Walmart completely took out everything scrapbooking, so I don't look at the paper anymore. But it's rainbow and it's color block. It's very pretty. So I'm going to do that. Then I got new pencils recently, and I don't know if I need to upload the video I made doing them, but I don't know if I have yet, or I made it public. I colored in it to try them out, and this is what I did. Don't look at it, it's not perfect at all, but it was fun. So I'm going to put it something like this, I think. But what I'm noticing is there's a spot right there where it bent, and it's white. So I'm going to put my book up for a minute while we do this, because I'll glue it into the book after. But let's touch up that little area right there, because it is going to bother me. These are the pencils I got, in case you haven't seen them. They're good. Now I had Prismacolor before this. Here's the colors, lots of colors, nice ranges in each color. I had color block before this, and or not color block. Why did I say that? I had Prismacolor before this, and I had them for years and years and years, and I loved those pencils. So comparing these to those is kind of hard, because they're not Prismacolor, but they work really good. I don't know if that's going to cover up or not. There, now I'm getting it. I think it just became detached. I've got lots of little spots like that. I will say that if you see my review and you think about getting it, I used the blending pencil that came with this for about a third of it, and the rest of it I used my Prismacolor, and look at the difference in what was used. Prismacolor just works so much better, and they're not very expensive. So, but this one, it just completely, I don't know, when you try to use it, I know I saw someplace where I wish I would have done better. It just breaks off really bad, and it doesn't, it's just not working very well. So this one just works much better. So I just wanted to share that in case. Now their eraser, this it has a pencil eraser, and it does pretty good. I haven't used it a lot, but it does pretty good. So anyway, I will get back on track here. But they're good for the price. I think I paid $24, almost $25 for them. And then they were on a blue light special 2 days later for $18. Okay, I need to cut this down a little bit because it's a lot wider. I'm going to leave this stitch strip up here so that this is where you're supposed to cut it to make it 8.5 by 11, but I'd like to have it a little bit taller. So let me get my trimmer. And I'm going to cut this side because I like the difference in colors on this side. So I think that should be about right. Let me get my book back out. Let's see. Maybe a little bit more. I don't want it so far off, like the top top has so much more white space than the bottom. I'll just try it on this back page so it wants to open up. That's much better. All right. Then I want to do a few things on this. So I got this tray out that I have from Dollar Tree. I got it last year, but I see that they're available right now. And I want to do some spraying on here. And I should have shook things up before I got going, huh? So, I don't know if I want to spray it or let's try it. Well, that did pretty good. It still went through there and got on my desk. But I'm trying to protect like my monitor and stuff, so. Okay. Now, I didn't think about the fact that it's got to dry before I can do anything. Let's see if I dab it down, what would it be like? Now, when I do this stuff, I'm just playing because I really know very little about it. You may be saying, don't do that, that's wrong, and it probably is. That's okay. I think it looks okay. And that was mica spray, so it has a little bit of shimmer to it. It's Winter Frost Distressed Mica Spray. Then I want to try, this is Cracked Pistachio, and I don't know if the color is going to show up, but I want to try it. Oh, do I not have it open? Oh, I've never used it. That's weird. I really can't believe I've never used it. That's like one of my favorite colors. Okay, so I'm going to try, oh, I can't remember who did this. I can't remember who did this first. I used to know exactly who did this first, and I don't have any ink to it. So I might want to get that down before I... Okay, here we go. It didn't work very well. I'm going to try this one again. There. That's probably plenty. Then I want to put some black drops on it. And this is Heidi Swapp Black. And I want these on here before I put my birds on. Making a mess. That's how I get my bone folders so dirty. Well, not dirty, but inky. They look dirty when you see them, but it's because of that. I thought about doing all this off camera, but then I thought, well, then you're not really seeing what I'm doing, and you can't really repeat it if I don't show you. Okay, so I'm going to take this out carefully. Let's use my tweezers. And I'm going to set it off to the side for a minute. If you can, there we go. And let me wipe this out. I want to get the black out so it doesn't get on my next project, on my next thing to do. So, for these, I went over them with my glitter pens and my shimmer pens, but I don't think it's showing very well. It's just kind of got a hint of it. And I have this, oh, I grabbed gold. I don't want gold, I don't think. Let me get my box. I gotta reach underneath the camera. I want the white. Just the clear. There we go. Okay, so this is Tattered Angels. And this one, I don't know. They put the, I don't know what it is. Pearl. And this one is Gilded Golden. It's beautiful, but this one just kind of sprays on and you really can't see it very well. I mean, you can't, like, you can still see the colors of your project. It just adds a shimmer and shine to it. Okay, so I'm going to pause you and I'll be back when I get everything dried. Okay, I'm back. And this is how everything turned out. I don't know. Yeah, you can kind of see how they look. They're kind of curled up, but it'll be okay. I'll glue it down. And then this is how the background has turned out. So I think it's pretty. Alright, so I'm going to put this one, I'll make sure I got this where it needs to be. Put this one down here, and this one up here. I don't know. I think I will go ahead and glue it down to where the bird's head is. So what am I going to use? Didn't think about that. I sounded like Forrest Gump there. Didn't think about that. Goodness. No, I want to be able to move it. I guess I'm going to try this one. Doesn't want to come out. I put the wrong cap on it last night. Okay. Come on. Okay, now it's coming. And then it will probably just start flowing out so fast I won't be able to keep up with it. Oh, my mailman just went through. I can hear it. Well, she's there right now. I can hear it. She has a loud vehicle. I'm going to do the very tip here because I have to get that connected back together. Okay. So let's see if I can get this on here. I didn't quite, I'm going to move it up a little bit because I didn't quite get that cut off all the way I wanted it. I didn't want any of the black from the outline of the thing showing. I didn't get where I needed. I need to get the bird down, and then I want to get that limb back together where I have it. Okay. Probably gonna have to add some more glue here, but I just wanted to get it kind of down. Was going to come out of there. Oh, I just messed it up. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing down here with the flowers. I'll put all but right here, this one down. I have the hiccups. I ate some popcorn for lunch in between recording. Because I really didn't want to I wanted this to air dry. I really didn't want to use my heat gun on it. And I got the hiccups now. And there is a piece there that shouldn't be there. Yep, there goes. Okay, there we go. I have not figured out a way to silence that one. I can silence everything else, but when I can't figure that one out. When I silence media, it does not silence that. I guess I'd have to put it on airplane mode. But then I always forget. So people start calling my husband after a while because I've completely forgotten. This is not sticking very well. Okay, all right, now get that back out of the way. I have a basket of some things that I want to use, and you know I didn't put my ink on it. So we'll put this up. And we'll get these inked real quick. And most of this is Tim Holtz. Well, I think one thing. I think this is Hobby Lobby. Two things. Three things. These are Hobby Lobby. So what I'm kind of thinking is, this is like stuff from a vacation that I'm putting on here mostly. And I'm thinking that this is a picture, the hummingbird is a picture that they took while on vacation. And things are kind of sticking because I have my stuff in a book. I don't think that's the right, what did I do with the right one? And I use a, that's not it either. What is going on here? Where is my, missing one of my things. Well, I'll just have to do it this way. Anyway, I have a book that I have temporarily glued them into. So I did that one. And it makes it so easy to just go through and pick things. So here's my picture of Mom and Son, I think. My hands are still glittery. I bet it's coming off there because I definitely gave them a good scrubbing in between. Thankfully, the opposite page of this doesn't have anything on it yet till next week, so maybe that'll, what's going to rub off will all rub off on the plain paper, and then it won't matter, although a little bit of sparkle and shine probably doesn't hurt anything. Okay. So now, I did not take a picture of how I thought this might look good, but I know I wanted this up here, and I think it's about, I think I'm going to put it about right. Well, that's as far as it's going to go, because that is where I glued. Make sure I have it right side up. I don't want the world upside down. And then I'm just going to put this on here. Glue all over the tip of my glue. This is going to go right there. Wipe this off. There we go. Okay, and then I'm just going to put them there. Oops, I didn't get Follow Your Dreams. I think it's going down at the bottom. I can't remember. And then this, I think, was going to go right here. And I thought I had something else up there. Maybe it was this. Yeah, okay. So, put that right there. My husband's coming in from the yard, has no idea that I'm recording, as usual. So, put this here. And put that one there. I still don't quite have that where I want it. There we go. Now this one, I think I was going to put this over here. And this, it was going to go under more. I'm just pushing it along here. It's going to go like that. This one needs to go like that. So let's get that down while I can still get it under there. This one on here. Well, let's go put it all the way to the bottom, but I think I'll bring it up a little bit. And oh, that was going to go up there. I don't know if it'll fit down here. It might fit right there. Let's put it right there. I think I had that down here and this one up there, but it's all good. It'll be fine. Oops, my field label turned on me there. Alright, and then I have a handle with care. And follow your dreams. And then I have this number that I put right there. Okay, put that right there. And then work on, I need to get the flower glued down first. I might try my glitter glue and see if it sticks better, because that is not sticking very well. I don't know if it's all this stuff I've sprayed on here. It's got to be, because I used the same paper pad yesterday and didn't have any problems with sticking. Alright, got that done. That was probably the harder part. Except I can't go straight for some reason. Where's it? There's my holder. Well, that glue isn't sticking the best either. I will mess with it off screen. We'll put it in here and I will mess with it because you can see it. I mean, you can tell what the finished project is. I forgot to cut the top of that off. I have to do that real quick before I put this down because I don't want that on there. Okay, where's my scissors? I wouldn't care that something was hanging over, I just don't want that hanging over. See, you can see where it's all popping up. I'll get it down, even if I gotta get my hot glue. So, here we go. And I think it turned out lovely. I'm going to be using more of my coloring pages in this. I like it. I've got a whole coloring book of birds. Well, you have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.